Welcome everybody to Belle's channel. Today again we are at the same project of episode 49, and here we are at the house on the type C. Type C, as I'm standing, this one is with the 2 parking space as usual, and behind of me also include with the EV charger, which is come with the house. And now I'm gonna show you around this villa how it look like. Still, they have very nice and beautiful landscape in green area around everywhere. When we walk through the site, you will see there is the outdoor shower. And right now I'm under the rain. Today is raining days, so you can see. After the site, here is the space of the terrace, which they decorated with 6 seats for the dining area. And as well, in this area, they have a lot of beautiful mountain view out there from these units. And you can see this swimming pool is come with 4 by 8 meter size, same with all the units of type B. And the garden area will be smaller if compared with the previous episode. This is type C. They have the yard that you can see from the terrace with the sunbed here. It might not be outside for this sunbed, but they still have a nice green area that you can enjoy. Now we will walk out through the front. Like that we make the whole tour. As you see, there is one of the bedroom that access to the garden and the pool. Here on the side, there is a pump room and as well the laundry room here. So it includes the storage room and the laundry room. The boiler is here in the back. As well, there is a water tank for 2 of the 2,000 liters. So it's 4,000 liters for you to store your water. And here on the side of the house, you also have a small green area, which is connected to the front, where I arrived to the parking area here. So it's now time to enter in the house and see inside how it looks like. In this house, in front of me right here, will be the storage room, which is connect inside the house, and you can see it's like that. And the electric control is here as well. Then from this area, the first thing when I exit in the area will be, this is the living room and dining and kitchen, which connect together. On my left, here will be the kitchen. As you see, they all include in the house. Will come with the furniture package of the built-in and kitchen. So you can see it's come with the induction. That the brand is from Hua Hin here, with the hoods and nice cupboard that is tall up to one level but not to the maximum. And on the top it will be the like that, the shelf. So here entire kitchen, as you see, it's quite nice with decoration and coming with the island where a lot of the storage on the sides too. And there is the counter where you can have a breakfast, sitting here, enjoy the morning. And behind of me will be the terrace where you can see the swimming pool or get out from the kitchen to have the dining there. And right here it will be the dining area, which they set and showing for the 4 seats. In case you can expand here, I think it will be too tight for this kitchen. So there are some space where you can have your meal on the terrace under the shadow. After the area of the dining will be nice sofa that come with relaxing of the mood and tone, look very cozy for the house. And I like the design of this table, which is look very cute. Now is the time where we're gonna explore to the bedroom areas. So when we enter in this side, there is a door for first bedroom, and this is the master bedroom, which you can access to the walk-in closet and the dressing room before you reach to the bathroom here. Inside the bathroom, they have quite good space for sink. It comes with a single sink, toilet, and the shower is also wide. The space is around 1.1 meter or around 1 meters. Yeah. So we're gonna continue to the bed area. When we get out from the ensuite bathroom, we will see there is the king size bed and the space between the bed with the television here with the side of the bed. That is quite okay to move around the bedroom. What I like is that this room is able to access to the garden in the back and as well have the swimming pool just nearby. They decorated with the rocks to walk to the garden and the pool. And now we go to see the second bedroom, how it looks like. In this house, the house is come with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So the next door beside the master bedroom, this one will be one of the bedroom as well. The second bedroom, they come with the dressing table and the wardrobe here, which is very nice. It go up high to the ceiling, and as well there is light inside. And special with this, the cupboard where they show something with the door that is come with the glass. And here, as you see, the bed is set up for the queen size bed. In this bedroom, it's decorated similar with the master bedroom, but there is the windows where you can see outside is raining now, and I not even hear the sound of this rain because the window is quite thick. And we will go to continue what is in the next door. After the second bedroom, the doors beside will be this shared bathroom for the second and the third bedroom. When you enter, you will see there is a sink and a shelf here that is come with the shower, which separate the wet and dry area with the tempered glass in the shower. So this bathroom will use for the two bedrooms, second and third, and as well for the guests. Now after the bathroom, it will be the last door in the house. This will be third bedroom. When we enter, it will look similar with the second bedroom that is come with the dressing table and the wardrobe, which come with the same design and nice to have the light. As well is the twin that is come with the queen size bed too. What I like is that on the cupboard for the television, they are building in the furniture which have the space for the storage. And as well on the side here that you can put books. Then there is the windows here to get the nice air pass inside and the light. And even outside is raining, I still fresh with the wind. Now, as you see entire room, what do you think about? As we see entire house outside and inside, what do you think about this house? This villa is come with the land size of 572 square meters and the living area and the usable space is 207 square meters. In this house, they as well include the EV charger, fully furnished, the indoor furniture and outdoor furniture. Also the beautiful landscape as you see in the video. All of them are included and have the common fee of 5 baht per square meters. If you're interested in this house, the offer price of the unit is 11 million baht on the Type C. In case you would like to get information of Type C villas, you can send me email or WhatsApp to me or calling by 086 424 5951. Any contact is below here. Reach out to each other and see you in another video of the house of Thai E. Let's go. Bye bye.